Ever found yourself scratching your head because Amazon isn't using your gift card balance? Well, worry no more. In this video, we've got some solutions to get things back on track. So without further ado, let's get started. So let's start with the basics. Check your gift card balance by heading to your Amazon account and visiting the gift card section. Ensure that there's a balance on your Amazon gift card. So go ahead, log into your Amazon account, go to gift cards, and you can easily confirm it there. Now, when you're ready to make a purchase, ensure your gift card is doing its job by checking that it's selected as the payment method during checkout. The order total should reflect the gift card balance in action. So simply confirm your gift card as the payment method during the Amazon checkout process, and you will see the gift card balance applied to the order total. Next is try using incognito or private browsing mode. Open a new incognito or private browsing window and attempt to make a purchase again. This can help eliminate any problem associated with browser extensions or cache data. Next step is try removing the gift card from your Amazon account and then adding it back. This can refresh the connection between your account and the gift card. Additionally, double check that your Amazon gift card has not expired. Some gift cards may have an expiration date, so be sure to check the details as well. If you're still facing issues, then let's check your payment settings. Take a moment to review your Amazon account's payment settings and confirm that the gift card is selected as the default or preferred payment method. This step ensures that your gift card is prioritized during the transactions. Lastly, consider reaching out to Amazon support. If none of the steps resolves the issue, then it's advisable to get in touch with Amazon customer support, as they can offer personalized assistance for your account and help identify any underlying problems. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.